Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Infinitepay.io for home services payments. Whether you are managing payments for cleaning, repairs or other home services, Infinitepay.io makes it easy and secure. So let's get started. First of all, log into your Infinitepay.io account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the home services or payment section. This is where you can manage and process payments related to home services. Now, to set up payment processing, integrate Infinitepay.io with your home services management or booking system. Follow the integration documentation or use the API provided by Infinitepay.io. Now configure your payment options by linking your home services business to Infinitepay.io, set up payment methods such as credit debit cards and adjust transaction settings to match your business needs. Now create and manage payment requests, invoices or payment links for home services through your Infinitepay.io account. Now you can even track and manage payments through the Infinitepay.io dashboard. You can even monitor payment status and address any issues that may arise. Ensure that your payment system complies with financial regulations and provide secure transactions for your customers. So there you have it. You have successfully learned how to use Infinitepay.io for home services payments. This platform helps you manage and process payments efficiently and securely for your home services. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.